नुक्ता चीनी से जुड़े रहने के लिए अभी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और हाँ, पर वक्त आगही के लिए घंटी जरूर दबा दीजिए।
So I'll just introduce the cafe a little bit and tell you कि हम लोगों ने ये शुरू कैसे किया and what was the vision that we had for this place. Basically about 5 years ago I started this as an online bakery जो home based businesses जिस तरह हैं. I've always had a passion for baking and I'm a self-taught baker. खुद ही से मैंने करना शुरू किया. I was teaching before that, but then I just thought this is something I have to give a try. So I set up a page online, Facebook के through मैंने orders देना शुरू किया. And like with all businesses, I feel it's the community around you and the people around you that really support you. Some businesses primarily जो सबसे ज़्यादा चलते हैं वो word of mouth पे होते हैं. And I always had a really great group of people to support me, जिसमें friends, family सब शामिल थे जिन्होंने word of mouth उसको काफ़ी फैलाया. And I did that successfully for 4 years. घर से ही ये model चल रहा था. And I often had lots of friends. I mean, family की तो हमेशा support थी, but I feel like I was really lucky to always have a very strong group of female friends who would just always rally together whenever I needed help. If I wanted to do market stalls या कुछ भी ऐसा करना होता था तो सारे इधर उधर से unpaid labor of course सारे इकट्ठे हो जाते थे help करने के लिए. And Hafsa was one of those people. She was like one of the friends who supported me the most and marketed me the most, and we did some markets together. So then I wanted the business to go in a different direction too. I wanted it to grow. And she had been wanting to venture into some sort of business as well. And our thoughts and ideas about what sort of place we would want it to be, they aligned. So हम लोगों ने सोचा कि we should combine our separate talents. Like I think she has the people skills, I have the baking skills. So हम लोगों ने सोचा कि हम मिलके we should open up something. And it was a long journey till we got there. You racked with a lot of self-doubt. I mean, जो घर वाला model होता है, that's very safe with minimal risk. And I think it's a great platform for people to start something small and experiment. But taking a step bigger than that, actually getting a physical space in the market and, being two women while you're doing that, that is intimidating and challenging. But eventually हमने खोल ही लिया. हम लोगों ने April 2018 में we opened up the doors to a piece of cake in Defense. We're going to be a year old this April. The vision that we had for this place, जब हम खुद भी as like I said, I have a strong group of girlfriends and हम लोग खुद भी इधर-उधर निकलते थे लाहौर में, तो we'd wonder कि कुछ करने को ही नहीं है, nothing fun is happening, there's no place where we can relax or with some interesting dialogue. जिस तरह अभी वो कह रहे थे कि लाहौर का कभी-कभी बहुत उस तरह से लगता है जैसे नहीं इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ों पे बात हो रही है, इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग. अब तो फिर भी इवेंट्स इतना के शुरू हो गए, लेकिन we would feel that there's not a lot of interesting stuff going on or some events that we'd like to attend to or topics being discussed that we'd also like to be a part of. So we did have this vision कि हम जब भी ये जगह खोलेंगे, we'd wanted to, I mean, the food was going to be one of the primary things because that's where my expertise was and my passion was. But we did want कि एक ऐसी भी जगह हो which has a sense of community where dialogue happens, interesting things happen, event based भी हो. And I think we've managed to do that successfully in this past year. We've had a lot of events where we've collaborated with a lot of females. हम लोगों की कुछ music nights भी हुई हैं, poetry circles हैं, reading circles हैं, book clubs हैं. Some of them are all female, some of them are for both men and women. And we've really, I think that this has become the sort of place, and we hope that it continues in the same streak. It does bring people together, and it does have that sense of community that we wanted. I was thinking today यहाँ पे कि the challenges that we face as women, and I would just say that I am probably one of the very lucky few, and we both are probably one of the very lucky few जिनको इतनी support मिली हुई होती है अपनी family से, and that really is everything. Like you can do wonders. I mean, I have a father figure who's extremely supportive. I haven't seen those gender stereotypes at home, and I was just thinking कि जिन लोगों को इन सारी चीज़ों को पुश बैक करके चीज़ें करना पड़ती हैं, उनके लिए कितना ज़्यादा मुश्किल होगा, जिनकी घरों से ही नहीं उनको सपोर्ट मिलती, जिनको छोटी छोटी चीज़ों के लिए अभी भी इजाज़त लेनी पड़ती है. लाइक जिस तरह हमारे कैफ़े पे एक आए, he owns the business himself, he's from the same university that I am, and he came and he asked us, so आप लोगों को इजाज़त कैसे मिली ये करने की? And we were also looking at him like, what? I'm 30, she's 35, abhi bhi, but like to him this was still inconceivable. So we're proud of how old we are. But it's still inconceivable to a lot of people कि how are these two women, वो पढ़े लिखे हैं, वो उसी यूनिवर्सिटी से हैं, वो खुद बिजनेस चलाते हैं, बहुत अच्छे हैं, पर उनके लिए फिर भी शायद ये सोचना मुश्किल हो कि मे बी इट वुड बी डिफिकल्ट फॉर हिम टू लेट हिज डॉटर और हिज सिस्टर और समबडी इन हिज फैमिली बी हेयर सिटिंग इन द मार्केट और खुद कैफे चला रहे हैं और हम खुद जनरेटर चला रहे हैं और खुद कभी झाड़ू पोछा भी कर रहे होते हैं. लाइक वी आर प्रीटी हैंड्स ऑन विद द प्लेस. And I just really think that, I mean, I have this one strong father figure and the sort of confidence that is instilled in me to take on whatever society throws your way. क्योंकि जब आप बाहर निकलते हो अपने घर पे बिजनेस करते हुए तो मुझे उतना नहीं शायद फील हुआ, पर जब आप बाहर निकलते हो and you start dealing with people, like you were dealing with landlords and you're dealing with construction workers, या आपने बिजली का काम कराना है या आप vendors से बात कर रहे हैं, they do talk to you in a condescending manner, they do belittle you, they do harass you every now and then. जो हमारे होलसेल वेंडर्स हैं जो हमें इंग्रेडिएंट्स भेजते हैं, उनको हमें चीज़ें भेजते हुए 10 महीने हो गए हैं, उनको हमारे बिजनेस का नाम भी पता है, पर रिसीट पे हमेशा स्वीटू लिखा हुआ होता है. दे सेंड द स्टफ टू मी, they haven't bothered asking me my name, they don't write the business name, and they write sweetu on the receipt. And I wonder if they use such terms of endearment for their male customers as well, but they take that liberty with me. And there are people who in our market too, जिनको भी हमें होता है कि 10 महीनों तक आपको आदत नहीं हुई कि we're here, but they look at us with some, and antagonistically देखते हैं, like they make you feel like this is not really your place. But if you have that support अपनी पीछे family से, and then not just this, like I really have my father's support in this through and through. उन्होंने हमें बहुत help भी की थी in setting this up, but I really feel that a strong community of women around you really raise you up. I've been very lucky to have a very strong mother and a sister and friends, and जितना वो आपको raise up करते हैं, they're your supporters, they're your enablers. They really, like all the people that we collaborated with for different events too, they were primarily females, और वो बहुत lift up करते हैं एक दूसरे को. So I really feel that if you have that, you can definitely achieve wonders. I think, pass this over to Hafsa now, and she'll talk a little more about the running of the cafe and its challenges.
Thank you, Anna. So I think I'm Hafsa Farooq Khan. I'm the other business founder of A Piece of Cake. I'm going to start a little bit from my childhood, because that's where I think my struggle starts, and it makes me the person that I am today, and A Piece of Cake is what it is today. So being a woman in Pakistan, I think we all would agree, or I think most of us would agree, is a very challenging and difficult thing. But being a woman and being a little bit different and sort of like a misfit, I think you guys can see right now. So the minute I'm entering anywhere, सबसे पहले मुझे जो है ना वो stares मिलती हैं, and everybody just looks at me. Sometimes people have some random questions to ask me. आपस में खुस होती है, and this is every day for me. This is every place for me, and this has been going on since I was a little child. And at the time, I was not equipped with the skills that I've learned in my 35 years of life. उस वक्त I was just learning, and I think again I'm also gonna thank my family and my parents for giving me somehow although this was never discussed with them, what's happening out there on the streets, but somewhere my father would always say कि मार खा के यानी खिला के आनी है. So I wasn't beating people up, but I used to scare the shit out of them anyway. So बचपन से being bullied and being different, this sort of a rebellion started coming into my personality, and तब से मेरे अंदर ना ये एक चीज जागना शुरू हो गई कि कुछ भी हो जाए, कितना भी bully हो जाए, I'm not gonna give up, I'm not gonna change who I am. While it was very, very painful, thank you, I continued to be the person I wanted to be. Eventually, thank you to Allah Mia for giving me the strength and wisdom, as I like to call it now and then, to do something about it. ठीक है, so उसमें ये हुआ कि that's where Anam also comes in and our cafe comes in. We decided, and then this is years of deliberation. I was 19 when I knew कि जी मुझे business start करना है, but at the time society की तरफ से हर तरफ से आप बहुत कुछ, while trying to be the rebel that you are and being the positive person you think you are, you've absorbed a lot of negativity, a lot of demotivation, and like you're thinking 50 times and everybody's telling you that this is your role, this is your role, this is your role, and you're only 19, you don't have the strength to fight back. And it was in 19 years of age that I wanted to be, I wanted to have my own business, wanted to do something for social change or something. Finally it happens that when I'm 34, we decide to open A Piece of Cake and make it a place for women where they're super comfortable, not just women, men and everybody else. So now I'm actually gonna not go back to my story. leading up to the cafe tha. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about the business because essentially we are sort of representing that here. Okay, once we start the cafe, the kind of challenges we face now. So we open the place and it's going really, really great. But every now and then we get a lot of, we get like all, so हमारे male customers होते हैं, lots of them are super supportive, super nice, but बहुत सारे uncles आते हैं and they think that they have the absolute liberty to come and ask me and challenge me कि आपका business क्यों चल रहा है, कैसे चल रहा है, अगर आप ऐसे कर लेते, आप वैसे कर लेते. You know, I'm standing here and I'm trying to give you the best service I can, but उसके बीच में, you know, you're doing my interview, you're asking me how is this working, how are you making money, how do you think this will work, and I'm just like, please cupcake ले लें, कोई sandwich खा लें, can you please just, you know, move on from here. So it was really, really exhausting, and these are the trends I've picked up कि like men आके ना वो sort of there's a certain type, and I'm sorry I'm using these words over here, but I'm speaking from the heart and from my experience. तो उसमें आप ट्रेंड्स पिक करना शुरू कर देते कि उनका एक बॉडी लैंग्वेज है कि वो आते ही ना वो आपसे बस एक ये चीज पूछेंगे बिकॉज दे वांट टू से समथिंग टू यू, दे जस्ट डोंट नो हाउ टू, एंड देन दे स्टार्ट ऑफ लाइक दिस. एक और अंकल आते हैं, ही इज अ ह्यूज फैन ऑफ अनम वैसे तो, but when in her absence he thinks he's my fan too, but the first time he came I thought, you know, senior citizen है and you know I have to be nice to him, and obviously हम सबको सर्विस इक्वली सर्व कर रहे हैं, and I'm like जी बताइएगा आप ये वो, तो this is happening and I'm like what just happened. So like we experience all these, you know, different and amazing, wonderful things at the cafe. And this is us, by the way. We are in defense. We are the privileged class, and you know we can defend ourselves. We can say hey, no, and this and that, and reach out to people कि जी हमें बचा लें. So I don't want to even tell anybody, or you know, I'm sure कि like how far this can go and repercussions कहाँ तक जाते होंगे. So and I want to highlight that this is not just the men. So we've received a lot of this kind of stuff from women as well, in a sense that कोई सेल हो रही है, उन्होंने कपकेक ले लिया, लेकिन आप शादी कब करेंगी? And I'm like, इसका मतलब how am I supposed to answer this question nicely and still give you a nice serving experience and stuff like that. ठीक है, so these are basically मतलब इस तरह के challenges हैं, and they start early on, like you know आप ये चीजें absorb करना शुरू कर देते हैं. So just imagine कि अगर आपकी personality strong नहीं है, या आपको घर से ये values नहीं मिल रही, या for some reason you were not being taught to fight them, so how will you ever get out of them? I'm a person, she is a person, we have all the support in the world, we have the best friends we can ever imagine, and मैंने criticize किया है, named certain challenges we have faced, which does not mean that they're not people who have supported us. हम लोग सब इधर इसलिए बैठे हुए हैं, पीस ऑफ केक अभी तक जिधर है वो इधर है, is from wonderful men and women who have supported us, but we are talking today about the challenges, which I think probably is in the majority, I think, and especially after the औरत मार्च, तो मैं और अनम अब कैफे के बाहर चल रहे होते तो हमें लगता है कि अभी कोई आके ना हमें वट्टा उठा के मारेगा कि like you women get out.
To add to that, in the wake of Aurat March, what was also surprising about that, and actually it wasn't so surprising, we should have known, ये जो hatred towards us, it's from men and women, and that judgment and scrutiny has always been actually from both sexes.
So as officially business, so we steered clear of the Aurat March because we were like, I don't know what is it that I can say जिसपे कोई ना कोई हमें पकड़ के डंडे ना मारना शुरू कर दे, and we love everybody, we support everybody, we believe in everybody's challenges and struggles and whatnot, but these challenges are sort of real. So I think I would just like to close by ये तो चलता रहेगा. I think जब हम friends मिलके बैठते हैं, these are the things we talk about all day, and with like a lot more aggression and anger. तो इस चीज पे end करेंगे कि I think जो बच्चे अब दुनिया में आ रहे हैं, fathers and mothers, you know, teach them manners and values and this and that, and just generally how to behave around humans around you, men, women, humans around you. And also जहाँ तक हमारी बात है औरतों की, us and other people who are, you know, suffering बहुत ज़्यादा, कि accept us for the values that we have, the integrity that we have, our ethics, you know, our accomplishments, and the people that we are. Just don't look at us and, you know, put us in a box and just be like, stamp, this is it. And I think that's all I'd like to say for today, and you guys are most welcome at the cafe anytime, any day. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
एक मंजर से
ये जो कह रहे कि इंतहा पे पहुंच के उसको मार दूं, तो यहाँ पे बैठे हुए सरपंच मुझे
कोशिश नहीं, और तुम्हारा चेहरा बिगाड़ दूं, तुम किसी की काबिल